Hello, I'm Debbie Maddy from Shibori Designs, and I'm happy to be here with E.E. Shank for their trends. And I'm very excited to tell you about my new book. The name of it is called Discover Shibori, and that's what it is all about. It's indigo, how to mix a vat, and how to do all different kinds of shibori. There's stitch shibori, folding clamp shibori, arashi pole wrapping. So it's going to be a very fun book, but a very technical, learn how to do all the techniques. What I'm going to show you is a snippet of one of those techniques, and it's a stitching technique called Japanese larch. And I have a large larch, which is concentric circles inside of each other, and small larch circles that still have concentric circles inside of them. So what you're going to see is the reveal after it's all been stitched, pulled, tightly tied, dyed in the indigo, and you're going to see the fun part of when I take the stitching out and you get to see what has developed. Now, all of this information is in the book on page 74 and 75. So just spend a couple of minutes and watch this reveal. This is the Japanese larch that I stitched, and I have removed all of the stitching that I had pulled up in order to form the large larch and then the small designs also. So I'm going to turn it, and this is where I use the little fabric protector, the little knot protector squares, and you can see those from this end down here when I pull out that stitching. These are the little protectors that were on there. So now we'll see how the large larch came out. So, ooh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So this is half of it, because remember we folded it and stitched half circles. So let's see how the ones came out where there was multiple small ones. Oh, they look pretty good too. We'll pull these little guys. Okay, they look like little mountains sitting there now. Oh, but aren't they pretty? I'm loving how this is coming out. So, this is where I stitched the 3 in a row, and then 2 in a row, and then 3 in a row again. Now, this is the large one. This is the large one, and it's folded over. So now you can see how pretty it is. And where I had those little stitch protectors, it keeps you from being able to identify or see the knots that if you didn't use those little stitch protectors, you would have a row of circles that do not end up as part of the design that we really wanted it to be. So I will wet this, and then we'll be able to see it all stretched out. But so far I am really pleased with how it turned out.